Dinner is now served. I hope you enjoy the shrimp broccoli Alfredo with a garlic knot. And you have to wash it all down with a glass of wine. Hey everybody, and thanks so much for tuning in to Shatimar. Today I will be cooking. Stay tuned because I'm about to be cooking a lot and I will be having special guests. But today and for the next couple of ones are just going to be me. And I'm going to have guests on after that. I have some special announcements to come up, so definitely stay tuned. Today's menu is going to be shrimp Alfredo with broccoli, you guys. Some garlic knots and some wine. Because I'm going to have drinks because, you know, we're going to be talking, drinking, cooking. Yes. So we're just going to go ahead and kick it off in my favorite store ever. Well, besides Walmart. But yeah, we're not there. We're at Dollar Tree. Like, don't even trip. Dollar Tree has so many great things when you're just starting out. Things when you just need, if it breaks down, or just everything. I love it. It's just like a one-stop shop for all kind of goodies. And when you're just starting out in the kitchen, like me, hell yeah, like, ain't no shame in my game, you guys. Like, why not? So stop at your local Dollar Tree. If you think I'm lying, check it out and see what kind of goodies you can get yourself. You just never know. Let's get on over to the grocery store, hit up the Food Lion. Yes, I did shake the water out because that adds to the damn gone weight. You know, that could be money. I'm going to do the same thing right here with the parsley.
Shake these off too, because that water
too.
Can weigh it down too, just
yeah,
like on the broccoli. Throw it in there.
Gotta grab some garlic because that's just going to intensify that flavor, honey. Yes. And it's all types of noodles. You pick what you want to pick. You know, everybody's different. I think I'm going to go with this. Not sure. Let's see.
Now I'll change my mind. Let's go with penne.
So, let's start cooking. Let's go ahead and cut the stove on because we want to get the water right and nice for the noodles. They have to go in. So, while that's getting hot, we're going to get the shrimp. Soak them in some water. Look how dirty it is. Yuck. Always rinse them out. And I'm actually going to cheat this time. Dee has some broccoli, and I'm just going to use her broccoli. So, yeah. You want to salt, salt, salt. Chef Ann always taught us this salt, salt, salt. She said I never salted enough, so damn it, I'm going to make sure I salt it. Once it gets nice and boiling, that water, pour you some pasta in, honey. And just, you know, how much you like. And I think I was being stingy, so I added some more pasta. You never know how much you don't need. You know, pasta would got me sent home on worst cooks, honey, so I always get so nervous. And look at me doing more salt. And my knife cuts, I am working on them. You know, bear with me. And you guys, this video is a voiceover because I look so busted, but I still wanted to show y'all. And you know, while I was cooking Sunday dinner, I'm going to work on the knife cuts. Don't cover my hand. You know how Chef Anna cover your finger, honey, when that ain't right? And I don't want you biting into the chunks, but yeah. Okay, so here I'm just drying off the shrimp because once you go and put any type of seasoned salt on it or flour or whatever you do, like for chicken too, you just want to dry it off so it will stick. And you want to salt, baby. Shake that salt, what? I'm using Chesapeake Bay seasoned salt from Virginia, honey. So, baby, I don't know. My baby cooks everything. So she always has like different seasoning and just everything, like, you know. And here you just put on however much you want to. Don't be trying to kill nobody if the stuff is hot or, you know, you don't want to make it too bland. But if you want to be real fresh, do it before you start. And so, you know, put it up and wrap it up so it can soak in it real good and it'll have more flavor if you want to be frisky. I didn't do it here, but next time I definitely will. This is all about learning, like for real. We all learning. All right, now let's get this pan popping. Let's get a nice sear, as Chef Tyler would say. You know, last the segment I talked about Chef Ann and her jewels. So Chef Tyler always would say make sure you get it hot, but you do not want to burn it. And then shrimp cook fast anyway, you guys. So, you know, after you get your seasoning and you get that grease and it starts to get hot, go ahead and drop whatever food that you're cooking and just keep an eye on it. I don't know why I add more grease. I have no idea. But again, I'm not going to be perfect. This is just what I'm doing. I'm learning. I just got tired of it. And I was like, freak it. And I was like, just pour them all in there. And I did see I left a shrimp in there. Trust and believe, I got her out. No man was left behind, honey. Not in this kitchen. We need all this food. Anybody got no money to waste? We need all this to go in my greedy gut. Yes, thank you. All right, so the girls are done. They are nice and finished. Yeah, so I'm going to take these out of the pan. And you can just throw them in a little bowl and just put them all to the side. I left them on the oven. On the stove top. Do whatever you want to do because I'm not getting rid of that pan. Because in the very same pan, I'm going to go ahead and put those garlic. And I don't know why I ain't do more garlic. But, yo, like this whole meal is full of garlic and a hot mess. So if you having a date, please make sure you get some mints. Because it's like not even a type of party. But thank God I got my wife and, 12 years we're good. So eat whatever we want to. You see that steam. Look at it. Look at how they merging together like a nice marriage, honey. Just like us. Yes. It's just working so well together. And I normally would make my own Alfredo. And I'll definitely do that. Because it is so good and it's so easy. But this time I just, I did both things. Box stuff. So, the main thing is we're cooking, okay? And we're going to bring all of that together. And I couldn't find me a darn spoon. I don't know what was going on. I just didn't have myself together. So anyway, you're going to spoon all of that together. Oh, like it smells so dang gone good. Oh, and it tastes so good too because, one thing on the show they got me, both Chef Tyler and Chef Ann was like, you didn't taste your food. And so that's one thing would definitely stick with me that they both said. Make sure you taste. How you going to feed people or how you going to know how something tastes if you don't taste it? So people, taste your food. I know I'm not the only one out there. Taste your food. You got to know what it tastes like to see if you need to add more or not. So let's go ahead and get these garlic knots popping. It's supposed to be on 425. I did change it and make it right. Excuse me, but I handled my business. And while they are in the oven, just go ahead. Everything is like multitask, you guys. Both chefs like really showed us how to do that. I didn't put all of the pasta in because you can always add more. You can never ever take out or subtract. I mean, you can, but just think if you put a whole shitload of salt, you can't take that salt back out. So just start with a couple pinches and just a couple more pinches and add on. And just go ahead and bring everything together. Let them marinate. Let them get to know each other. Hey, girl, what's up? I'm Shrimp. Hey, Shrimp, I'm Pasta. It's nice to meet you, How you doing? I'm doing good. Well, hold on. Who is this? This is Broccoli because D says I have to add greens. I don't eat enough vegetables. So, she makes me, eat greens and stuff. So, yeah, that's that. And, I had to add the broccoli. But look, just look at there. Come here, baby. Excuse me. Yes. Do you hear that? Oh. No, I'm so serious. Do you hear it? Shh, listen. Yes. So creamy. I'm talking about the pasta, you guys. Get your head out the gutter. I can't believe it. I did this. Just like when I was on the show on the Food Network, The Worst Cooks, and the dishes that I made. It really blew my mind. All of us, the whole crew, we all did so good. And just everything I learned, I just want to start applying it and sharing it with you guys. And, take this journey with me. And we're going to cook and learn some things together. My shrimp pasta broccoli with garlic knots. So what I had in there was some broccoli, just to go over it real quick. Add any wine or liquor that you want to. I had some garlic and parsley, which is not here. Some Chesapeake seasoning and salt. And some Alfredo dip. Next time I will make my own. And the garlic knots, so good. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Stay tuned. Shatimar R will be back with more.